In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube an error occurred, please try again later. And it's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, an error occurred message on YouTube is frequently caused by the latest April security patch, conflicts, or YouTube's intensified anti-ad block scripts. So YouTube's playback engine can detect even dormant ad blockers. So if you have an extension installed but turned off, it can still trigger this error. So I'm going to just go over to Google Chrome right now, but obviously you can do this with any browser, but go over to extensions at the very top. You're going to see them, but you want to click manage extensions. And if you have any that are even just disabled, but they're still here, what you want to do is click remove right here. What you can also do is clear any of the site data. And also what I'd recommend is once you go ahead and do this, press these three little dots, go over to settings, then go to system, and then turn off hardware acceleration or graphic acceleration. Turn either of those off, and then that should help as well. Now, if this error happens on all videos, your internet service provider might be failing to connect to YouTube's local CDN, which is Content Delivery Network. So what you could do is basically just open up terminal. So I'm just going to type in terminal right here and then open it up like so. And then we just want to go ahead and type this in ipconfig/flush DNS. And that's definitely going to help you too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.